Hello, welcome to part two. There's a few ways to do this. First thing we're going to do is just look at the distribution as a whole, and then we'll graph it, and then we'll pull it all up in Excel and do some calculations there as well so we can see the difference. What I would do is first go to your worksheet, type in X and P of X. We're going to input the values here. We need to list out all of our possible outcomes in X, which is going to be 0 to, since it goes up to 20, 0 to 20. You could just type those in. You could just go 0, 1, so forth and so on. Or you could use the software to type it in for you. If you go to Calc, make pattern data, simple set of numbers. I'm going to go here, click on C1, and my first value is 0. My largest value is 20. Then click OK. There are all your values. Now I want to have the software input the probabilities here. So I'm going to go to, I believe it's Calc, probability distributions, binomial. Here I want it to be probability. That's the individual probability. Cumulative, that's another discussion. Number of trials, we have 20. Event probability was 0.1, 10%. My input column is going to be the numbers I inputted in C1. Output, my storage, I wanted to store it in C2. And click OK. Here are all your different probability calculations. The probability that 0 would occur, 1, 2, so forth, and so on. Okay. Next, what I would do if I want to take this and do some actual calculations, you can highlight everything. I'm going to copy it. Okay, here I'm going to open up an Excel document. I typed in X here, P of X. I'm just going to do my calculations in Excel. To be honest, it just makes it easier because it's just easier to add and subtract, multiply, and divide in Excel. You can do that in many tabs, but it's easier here. So I just pull this up. I'm going to paste it here. Okay. Notice it gives me all of my values. Probability of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to 20 here. And these are my corresponding probabilities. And I believe the problem asks for the probability of 5 or more would contain errors. What does that mean, probability of 5 or more? That means the probability that x is equal to 5 plus the probability x equals 6 plus the probability all the way down to 20. So that's basically from here all the way to 20. And Excel is nice because one thing you can look at whenever you highlight your values, it gives you the sum at the bottom of the page, and I'll show you that. That's one way you can sum them up. And here's your sum here, 0.04317. That's the solution. Or you can go to the side, you can type in an equal symbol, and you can type in sum, put parentheses, and just highlight what you want to add up, close parentheses, and then hit enter. And that also sums up the values as well. Or you could go equals, and this is too much I think, but you can go this and then plus this plus this plus this plus. With this many, that's really too much. But again, I want to show you all the different options. Or you could, this is the easiest way. The other way is I think is the easiest way. And there are my solutions here, and looks like I'm a little off because I probably missed one. So I'm not going to go back and try to figure out which one I missed. But again, basically you just add up from 5 up to 20, and that gives you your solution. I think that's it.